Hey everyone, today we'll demonstrate how to retrieve your Wi-Fi password on a Windows computer. Perhaps you're looking to connect another device or computer to the same network but can't recall the password. Let's dive in. To begin, navigate to your Start menu and search for Command Prompt, then select the best match. This will open the Command Prompt window. Within the Command Prompt, type NETSH, which stands for Network Shell, a utility in Windows for configuring network devices. Next, enter WLAN to focus on Wi-Fi signals. Finally, type Show Profiles to display all known Wi-Fi networks. Upon hitting enter, you'll see a list of networks your computer recognizes. To retrieve the password for a specific network, enter NETSH space WLAN followed by the appropriate network name. However, this time let's input show profile name equals followed by double quotes. Here, you can type in the name of the network you want the password for. Once you've entered the name, close the quotes. Next, enter key equals clear to reveal the password. If we omit this, it'll only indicate whether a password exists, which isn't particularly helpful. Following that, input a vertical bar, or pipe character, and then, find double quotes key content, within double quotes. This ensures the command only returns the password, excluding any unnecessary information. Once you hit enter in the command prompt, it will display your password. We'll also demonstrate how to retrieve a password using a graphical interface. The drawback here is that you can only retrieve the password for your currently active Wi-Fi signal. If you're not connected, you won't be able to retrieve the password. In the Settings menu, navigate to Network and Internet. Then proceed to Wi-Fi, followed by Wi-Fi name and properties. Here, if you scroll down you'll find an option saying View Wi-Fi Network Properties. Once you click the View option, check the box to reveal the characters of the password. In summary, accessing your Wi-Fi password on Windows involves a few steps, but ensures you have your network security details. For similar content, feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.